My name is Farman and I'm from Jafil International Trading Corporation, and I'm going to explain the backhoe. So please come and take a look. Yeah. So this is the backhoe PC130-6E, and that is a manual type, manual injection. And look at there, have a breaker line. Yeah. And that bucket is this one. The bucket is one half size, and you can check the condition of the unit. Look at how good is the track part, the thickness of the track part. Look at the undercarriage, the roller, the sprocket, and also right now that is Japan surplus. Of course, if you want, we can recon the unit, we can recondition. So after that, it look like a brand new, you know. And also the running hour is 10,700. And please come take a look for the pump. The other side, come. This is the back. Come, I'll show you the pump. Come on. And also please show them the sprocket. Also, the sprocket. Let's go. And also come take a look for the engine. So this is our operator. Yeah, he's going to show you the operating. Okay, running. Start the operating.